Hi everyone and welcome back. I've just recently started my new YouTube channel and one of the first things I found was that the audio wasn't very good. So one of the things I'm here to do today is try and fix that. So my son, he's in video production, he's always told me sound's really important and I never quite understood what he meant until I did my first video. The first video we did was a renovation of our daughter's bedroom, and what happened was we didn't have mics and sound was really soft and I had to pump the gain right up. And also when I tried to do my voiceover, it sounded a little bit echoey. So to fix that, I've ordered something. Basically, we've ordered a little sound booth, which is this. So it needs a little bit of work. What I need to do is raise it up off the ground a little bit because it's sitting straight on the desk. I'm going to put some little rubber feet on it, and I'm also going to then place it on a mat. And to put the rubber feet on, I've got to drill a couple of holes. So these are the little rubber feet. I'll sit under here, I'll elevate it just enough so that it sits off the ground. And we've also bought a little mat. It's just a bit of carpet square. It costs us $5 at Bunnings and it'll stop reflecting the sound off the hard surface of the desk. And then I'll show you what we're going to do to set it up. So both my wife and I do YouTube videos. My wife's been doing it a lot longer than I have. And basically what we're going to do is set up a little corner of her station. So we've got the mat, we've got the booth, and we're going to put a monitor directly behind it, raised up on a little bench so that we can watch the video as we voice over. That's just going to make it easier, make an easier workflow, and hopefully improve the quality of our audio. I've drilled a couple of holes and it's just not big enough. So if you haven't seen one of these are fantastic. They're called step drills or Christmas tree drill, and what they do is they just center on the original hole and they just increase the size until you're at the right diameter that you need. I think I'm going to need a little 4 or 5 millimeter hole, and that'll fit perfectly. One more step. There we have it. So now I'll show you the carpet square and I'll show you where we're going to put it and mount it. So basically this is just a little carpet square we bought from Bunnings. It's basically a bit of carpet on some rubber backing. Great for soundproofing, it'll stop the reflection from the desk, and we're going to mount our soundboard on it. Here we go. So what we're going to do is mount the monitor directly behind the sound booth, so we have it raised up here, and that way we can talk straight to the mic with the monitor behind, so we don't have to turn away from the sound. I need something to elevate the screen so it sits up behind the sound booth. I've got these couple of boxes. These are something we bought a few years ago. My wife was going to paint them, but now they're just going to be elevation boxes. And mount the monitor directly on top of it. Plug it all in. Alright, let's see if we can make it work. Ready? So all we need to do now to make this work is we have the one screen here that we do the video editing on, and then we switch it to the other monitor. Go full screen mode, and then we talk into the sound booth here, and that should stop a lot of the reflection. So that's my little project for today, just trying to improve the audio quality, get rid of some of that echo, and make a nice tidy little workflow. So if you like my videos, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So today, I'm going to try and fix that. Do intro, rock, 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 intro.